Almost to the end. About half a mile. It's been 1 hour and 7 minutes, even though we've been stopping to take photos and stuff, but still pretty good workout. Pretty good hike. I think on the way to the turnaround point you get kind of warm and sweaty, but now that we're on our way back to the car, it's pretty exciting and more comfortable and relaxed. I feel a little bit more cool. So yeah, it's been a pretty good day for a hike out here at River Place. Pretty quiet out here now. Really good hike. Feels really good. The temperature's really good right now. Nice big like rock overhang. We got the creek down there. I think it's Panther Creek. Got all my camera stuff. Jeez.